Hi, I'm Geoff Dodd, and I'm going to tell you how to get what you want. How do you get what you want? First, I'm going to tell you that, and then I'm going to give you the business. I'm going to give you the vehicle, the way how to get what you want. I'll give you the business, but first, let's get on to how you get what you want. You have to be the authentic you. Don't try and be perfect. Take imperfect action. The authentic you is the good, the bad, and the ugly. All of you. Be the real you, and you have to know what you really want. Have you worked out and written down what you really want? What you focus on is what you get, and what you think about is what you become. So put your attention on what you really want. Observe your mind. Observe what you're doing every split second, and put your attention only on what you really want. What you put your attention on gets results. Think about it. Small worries, things you don't want, don't give them attention. Don't give them time and energy. Don't go off on a tangent. Put your attention on what you want. Your attention gets results. Attention is like love. What you pay attention to is what you love. Go long term. Plan it out and reverse engineer it. Plan it long term, 1 year, 5 years, 10 years, with the excitement of your vision about what you want. Keep looking at it. Keep pictures, videos, remembering what you really want. And what you put your attention on gets you results of what you want. Focus on where you're going and what you want. You might have to give up some old habits, give up some bad things you don't want to do. See challenges as opportunities. When you've got problems, there's always an embedded opportunity to do something better and to change direction and to start putting attention again on what you want. Focus on what you want. What you focus on is what you get. Have a specific plan and accountability. Be accountable to someone. Share your plan. Write it down in the tiniest detail. Reverse engineering $1 million, for example, is $2,740 per day. $2,740 per day gets you $1 million per year. So to get what you really want, you want to get what you want, you have to know what it is very clearly, and you have to spend time wisely with your attention only on what you want. Not on the fears, not on the negatives, not on the things that have gone wrong in the past. They'll be wiped out by your achievements. Focus your attention on what you really want. Spend your time on what you really want, and it works. Guaranteed, it works. Now, here's the business to get you what you want. Here is the best affiliate program ever created in the world. This is the vehicle, the free vehicle that you can use to get what you want when you focus your attention on getting results step by step with what you really want. Hi, I'm Geoff Dodd. Been an affiliate marketer since 1998. Here's a question. What would an ideal affiliate program look like? Would it be designed and created by a proven multi-millionaire with a $50 million track record? Would it represent the highest quality training courses and programs on the internet? And be able to easily pay you out as regularly as clockwork on a Friday? Would it respond to your questions fast in the support desk system? Now what you want is very high repeat recurring commission for the lifetime value of the customer. System running a strong and robust back office with solid link tracking tools. And designed with all these features, be 100% free for you to enter. Entre Institute ticks all the boxes and meets all the criteria. Other useless programs pay a measly 2% commission. You'd be getting 20 times this. You're invited to the highest paying affiliate program on the internet. Find my blog link in the description, join up free, then go for the Entre Blueprint. Your 2 ways to benefit from the Entre Institute can be found in the blog post immediately below this video. Please accept your free ebook.